Hare Krishna. We are conducting online course on Jaimini Mahabharata. First of all, what is Mahabharata? Mahabharata is one of the two most famous epics, the other being Ramayana. Mahabharata is called the Mahakavya as it is the biggest kavya, that is poem, in the history of mankind. It contains 100,000 verses and comprises 18 parvas. The author of this epic is the great Krishna Dvaipayan Vyasa, the son of the great sage Parashar and Satyavati. Mahabharata is the history of Greater India, depicting Pandavas as powerful princes, strictly adhering to dharma, the religious codes, and Kauravas as powerful but vicious and irreligious princes. Now the question arises, what is Jaimini Mahabharata? In the Adi Parva of his version of Mahabharata, Vyasa says that besides his, there were other versions too, that of his disciples, namely Jaimini, Sumantu and Paila. Unfortunately, these other versions are no more to be found except Ashwamedh Parva of Jaimini Mahabharata. So we are offering this online course on Ashwamedh Parva of Jaimini Mahabharata. What are the style, nature and special features of Jaimini Mahabharata? Unlike Vyasa's version, which for the most part presents dharma, artha, kama and moksha as the primary goals of life and only occasionally highlighting the principles of bhakti, Jaimini's version is purely devotional in nature and clearly and directly presents devotional service to Krishna as the highest religious principle. And thus this version is considered to be on the sublime level of Vyasa's magnum opus Srimad Bhagavatam. Jaimini Mahabharata is highly poetic in nature, full of puns and other literary devices, and filled with highly exciting, gripping and sweet pastimes of Krishna and his devotees. Also, Jaimini profusely glorifies power of the holy names, and his true identity as a pure Vaishnava of Lord Jagannath is revealed by his repeatedly glorifying Krishna as Jagannath. Jaimini is also very skillfully presenting important religious principles in the course of his narration. As this version of Mahabharata has been presented in the mood of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is very confidential in nature and important for Vaishnavas. What are the benefits of hearing Jaiminiya Ashwamedh Parva? Simply by hearing Jaiminiya Ashwamedh Parva, one is considered to have heard the entire Mahabharata and all the 18 Mahapuranas. Repeated and faithful hearing of it guarantees one all material success and ultimately topmost spiritual success, that is Krishna Prema. Hare Krishna.